Good morning. Can you see the screen?
Good morning, sir. Yes.
Okay, thanks. Right, shall we start? Still only very few. Today we will discuss how to generate reports. Now we have already completed that transactions and master file creation. So today we will discuss that report section and we will complete the QuickBooks session. Okay. Now we can you all check whether you can log into the system? Sometimes it may be expire after 30 days. And now from this website, that accountingsoftware.lk website, you can get that software registration and you can view some videos related to accounting software. Now QuickBook also, I think they have that videos. You can there are few actually 8 softwares available in this site, and you can free register and you can view that training videos. Okay. In the QuickBook also, from here you can register, and there are some videos also you can watch. Okay. Right now we will discuss report section. Now there are you can go to reports section from this left side menu and you can click the reports. There are few tabs: standard reports, custom reports, management reports, spreadsheet sync, and performance center. Okay. From here, from management reports, you can generate your management reports. First, company overview. You can click this preview button and you can view the report. Okay, now I think my one has expired, therefore there may not any values here. From here you can view that profit and loss report and balance sheet. There's a predefined format for this report, and you can view the profit and loss report and the balance sheet. And you can export to PDF by clicking this button, and if you want you can print the report. And also from this report period you can change the report period. So this month, this quarter to date, like that, you can change the report period. Next, sales performance, there same way. You can generate your report by clicking preview. Okay, so when you are generating from this management report, it will display your uh, company details, and there's a cover page. So not like standard reports. In the management reports, you can download the report with the cover page. The next, expense performance. Right, like that, we can generate the management reports. So, can you check whether you can generate the reports? Okay, please go to reports and check whether you can generate these reports. Can you all hear me?
Yes, sir.
Right, is it possible to view the reports?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thanks. Right, now you can practice these management reports. So you can change, first you can generate these three reports, and please check by changing this report period. Okay, you can check previous month, current month, this month, this year, like that. You can change this date range, and please generate this management reports.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, you can actually, my license has expired, therefore I'm entering few transactions. You can practice that how to generate reports. Okay, you can take another 5 minutes. I'll enter few transactions. After that, we can get clear reports. Okay, we will try again that get some reports. And now you can view that data. You can get income, gross profit, and other expenses, and you can view the net earnings or net profit. From the balance sheet, you can view the assets and liabilities separately, and you can view the current assets and account payable, shareholders' equity. Those details you can view. Right, next we will move to standard reports. Now from here, uh, you can view favorites section, and you can view custom report builder and business overview, who owes you, that is account receivable section, sales and customers, and our payable details, expenses, employees, and mainly finance section there. Okay. So now when you log into these standard reports, you can see that favorite section, and there's a highlighted star icon there. So in these reports, if you tick this star, now it's currently it's blank. If you click this, it will change to green color, and it will go to the this favorite section. So when you are if you are frequently generating reports, you can favorite that reports. So without going down, you can in the first section you can view those reports. Now for an example, if you want to view accounts payable, you can click that, then it will come to the favorite section. So from here, uh, you can generate this report. Right, now we will look into some reports. First, there are business overview. So in this business overview, we can generate our financial reports such as balance sheet, profit and loss report. Those reports we can view. And in addition to that, we can view the audit log, that is audit trail report. So from this audit trail report, we can view what are the transactions entered by uh, this system users. Right. Now, when you are going to this report, there are few filters. So from this filter, you can select which user, or whether you want all users details. So if you want to view a particular user transaction, you can select that user, and you can generate the report. Or if you want to view all the users, you can select this all users, and you can generate the report. Next, you can change the date range. From here, you can generate today, yesterday, this week, this month, like that. And if you want to select a particular date or date range, you can use this custom option. After that, you can change the date range from here. Next filter is events. So from here, you can filter all transactions or all events, then budgets, forecast, data exchange, and permission changes, List means customer supply creation, then currency revaluations, settings like that. Those transaction wise, you can filter that particular event or transaction type. So now here, if you select sales orders, you can view what are the sales orders this user has entered. If you select list, system will display what are the items you have created, what are the suppliers you have created, what are the customers you have created. Those things you can view. Right. So from audit trail is very important because now sometimes your users may enter fraudulent transactions. So you can check which user enter that transaction. Sometimes now, if you set the prices, sometimes your users may change the item selling prices. So those things you can check from the audit log. Now, in the audit log, you can view that date, username, that event type. From history, you can view that details. Right? Like that, you can use this audit log. So, if there's any incorrect transaction in the system, from the audit log, you can check which user has entered this transaction. This one also you can export to CSV or you can print this audit log. Settings, you can select which columns you required. You can check, you can add date change, user, event, and history. Right now, you can practice this audit log. Right. Next, we will generate business overview reports. Now here, first we will generate balance sheet. Uh, like this, you can generate the balance sheet. Now in these sections that filters, you can select the financial year to date or that period. Then you can display columns, total only, days, week, month, like that. There are few columns you can add. Right? Then if you select months in this date tree, now we have taken this report for this financial year. So if you select this display columns by months, system will display each month in this financial year. Now from April to 2025, April 2020, March 2026 period, system will display month-wise balance sheet. Right. Next, there are some options that you can view the active rows, then non-zero columns. You check this all, we will select all and we will generate the report. Now you can see if you select all, now previously it was display only balance sheet accounts which are with balances. So if you select all, system will display all the accounts in the chart of account. So we don't want that all accounts, so we can select active or non-zero option we can select from there. Next, we can select the that if you want to compare with previous year, we can select that previous year and we can run. Then system will display uh, previous year transactions in addition to the current period. Now this is our current period. This is the previous period. So if you want to compare with the previous year or previous period, you can use this compare another period option. And also you can view that percentage also. Right here you can view the that change in the percentage you can view from here. And you can view that report details, generate time, basis, date, those details you can view. Okay. Next, there are accounting method. There are two options, cash basis or accrual basis. Now, normally we are taking the accrual basis. Now, standard is accrual basis. Therefore, we will select accrual basis. Next, you can switch to modern view. and you can customize this report. You can divide by 1,000. Then now this report, thousands also available, 1,000 separators. So if you want without sense now, if your transactions value is very high, you can use this without sense, or you can divide by 1,000. Now, if you see any that annual reports, there may be uh, divide by million or divide by 1,000. So like that, you can use this divide by 1,000. And the columns, you can view total only. Then filters, those options available uh, when you are generating the report, right? This report also you can email, print, and you can export to Excel, PDF, or Google Sheets. Right now, you can practice this how to generate balance sheet, and you can change these filters, and you can check the report. Okay, so in the balance sheet, you can view assets and liabilities and shareholders' equity. And under assets, you can view current assets and fixed assets. And under liabilities and shareholders' equity, you can view current liabilities and shareholders' equity. So this total asset value and the total liabilities and equity value should be tallied. Next, we will generate profit and loss report. Now, in this report also, you can change filters and settings. Here you can select the date range. Then display columns, and you can view only active columns. And here you can select if you are comparing another period, you can select that comparing period, and you can select accounting method, cash or accrual basis. After that, you can run the report. Right now, in the report headings, you can view that company name and report name, that profit and loss, and the date range. In this profit and loss report, you can view income, total income, cost of sales, gross profit, uh, other expenses, total expenses, and net earning for the period. From customize also, you can view divide by 1000. We will divide by 1000. Right now, you can see that it has divide by 1000. Now divided by 1000. Earlier it was original values. Earlier it was 1.25 millions. Now it's 1250. And without sense, we will generate the report. Right now, system will display the report without thousands. Sorry, without zeros. Right, like that, you can change these filters. In addition to that, there's another button, Save Customization. Now, if you are okay with these settings, and in future also, if you want, uh, you need to generate the report in this format, you can save this customization. You can enter name for that report, and you can create report groups, and you can save. So next time also, if we generate this report, it will display in this format. Okay? Divide by 1000 and exclude that cents. Okay? System will not display cents value. Right. Now you can generate this report, profit and loss report under standard reports. Now, if you save as a custom report, it will move to this custom reports. Okay, now we have renamed that report profit and loss customization. So from here, you can view that report. It's like that you can custom reports, customize your reports. So then it will come under custom reports. Okay, now you can check that uh, profit and loss report under standard reports. Okay, actually, there are several reports. So today we will discuss only uh, main reports and complete today's session. And next session, it's a physical session, 8 to 1. Okay, morning 8 to 1 p.m. So first session, 8 to 12, we will discuss that Sage Business Cloud Accounting Software, 8 to 12. After that, 12 to 1, we will discuss a model paper for the final exam. Okay, please participate for the final session so we can discuss the Sage and the model paper. Okay, so in these reports, we will discuss only main reports. So you can check other reports also. Now, profit and loss by month. So if you select profit and loss by month, you can view that month-wise profit and loss report. And comparison also You can compare with current period and the previous year. From this compare another period, we can select whether it's previous period or previous year, year to date. Like that, we can select the comparing column. This is current financial year, and this is the previous financial year. Okay, next we will generate accounting receivable aging summary. Now, in this report, you can view uh, age analysis of your customer outstanding. Now, in this report, you can view that customer name, current period outstanding, and after that, you can view the age buckets. So now here 1 to 30, 31 to 60, 61 to 90, 91 and over like that, there are age buckets available. So you can view that uh, customer-wise age analysis, and you can view the total of that each customers. And here from filters, you can select the date range. If you want to generate this report for today, you can select today, and this is the date. And if you want different date, you can select that date from as of date. And currently, you can see that four columns there, 1 to 30, 31 to 60, 61 to 90, and 91 and over. And there are four columns, and you can see that days per aging period is 30 days, 1 to 30, 31 to 60, 61 to 90, and 91 and above. So if you want to change this number of columns or days per age period, you can change. Now, for an example, if you want aging period as 15 days, you can enter 15 and you can run the report. So then system will display that aging period in 15 intervals, that 1 to 15, 16 to 30, 31 to 45, and 46 and over. Okay. Next, if you want to change this number of columns, now assume we want another column, so we can enter 5 and we can run the report. So now there are uh, 5 columns in this age analysis. 1 to 15, 16 to 30, 31 to 45, 46 to 60, 61 and over. So like that, we can change these aging period dates and number of periods. Right, I'll duplicate this report and we'll check that age analysis detail report. Now I'll take that account receivable aging details report. Now this also same report. You can see that outstanding. And the difference is in this report, you can view transaction-wise report. Now, in this previous report, AR agent summary report, we can see one line for one customer. In this detailed report, we can see that one line for one transaction. Now, KIU total outstanding is 1 million. So it will display that 1 million here. And it's a one line for one customer. Right, here also date for aging available and number of periods available. Right, so in this report, I'll enter another transaction and we'll check. Right now, I have entered few transactions. Next, we will move to that report. We will generate account receivable aging detail report. Right now, you can see 61 to 90 days there, 31 to 60 days there, and current period there. And you can view transaction-wise report. Now, in the summary report, it's a one line for one customer. In the detailed report, you can view transaction-wise report. Now, if you take in the summary report, it's KIU 1 million. So we'll refresh this. KIU 1 million. And in this report, we can view that KIU outstanding invoices in transaction wise. Okay, so there are two invoices, uh, 500,000, two invoices. So here we can view transaction wise report. Right now, you can practice this aging detail report and aging summary report. If you have any questions, you can ask. In this AR aging detail report, you can view that transaction date, transaction type, uh, transaction number, customer, due date, amount, and open balance or outstanding amount. And each date range, you can view the total. Now you can see that 61 to 90 days total available, 31 to 60 days total available, and current period total available. And also grand total also you can view. Okay, right, like that, you can generate AR aging report and AR detail report. Now, from that AR aging summary report, we can use for our customer outstanding. Then, if you are deciding whether we are issuing for more credit to that customers, we can use this aging summary report because we can view that total outstanding in one line. So we can decide whether again are we giving a credit period for this customer or credit invoice, credit sales. So you can decide checking this aging summary. So and aging detail report, you can view how many outstanding there are, and you can use that report. Now for follow up that outstanding. Now here, if there's any invoices more than 60 days, you can call the customers and you can collect that payment. So you can use these reports for uh, customer outstanding follow-ups and uh, for the credit control purposes. And so those reports we'll check in the finance final exams how to generate these reports. Next, we can check that invoice list. So from the invoice list, we can check what are the invoices we have created. So in this report, you can view invoice date, transaction type, uh, invoice number, customer name, that memo or description, that due date for that invoice, and invoice amount, and the open balance. So from here, you can select the date range, and you can select columns. And if you want to change this order, now for an example, if you want customer name after the invoice number, you can just drag this name and you can drop there. So then it will rearrange. Right. Next, you can select filters, transaction type. Then now here some rule there that transaction type equals to invoice, like that. So we'll check another one. Okay, now I here again set a rule that number, that is invoice number, contains five. So then it will display only one invoice, that five is available only this 1005 invoice. So therefore it display only that 1005 invoice. Like that, You can set some rules, and you can filter the report. Next, you can group by customer. Now you can see that invoice details has the group by, and accountancy customer has three invoices, and KIU has two invoices. So like that, system has grouped that uh, based on customer, and each customer totals you can view from here. Next, if you want, you can set a pivot table, and from general options, you can divide by 1,000. Zero amounts don't show zero amount like that. You can set, or you can customize your report. Okay. So for tax invoices, also we can use this report, invoice detail report. It has that invoice number, invoice date, customer, those details available. So for tax purposes, also we can use this invoice this by date report. Right. Now you can practice this report. You can take 5 minutes, and you can check this report. Right. Hope this report is clear for you. Next, we will move to that sales and customer reports. Right. Next, we'll buy income by customer summary. Now, in this report, we can view how much, what is the income from a particular customer, and what are the expenses for that customer, and what is the net income from a particular customer. So, from this report, uh, in this report, we can view what is that net income from that particular customer, and we can identify what are who are the profitable customers. So from here we can, accountancy customer is net income is 50,000, and KIU customer net income is 200,000. So like that, we can view uh, who are the most profitable customers. Okay. So from income by customer summary report, we can generate customer-wise income, expenses, and net income. So from this report, we can view who are the most profitable customers. Next, we will generate another report that says by products. So now here, actually currently I have created only one item, therefore it will display on that laptop. So from here, we can view product-wise uh, sales report. Now, laptop there, and what are the invoices and who are the customers we can check. So if you have another item, we can view that item, who are the customers and what are the invoices. So in this report, we can use product-wise, customer-wise sales report. Okay. Then we can identify for a particular product who are the most purchased customers. Okay. Right. Now you can practice those two reports, and you can take 10 minutes and you can check that report. After that, we can go for short break. 10 minutes enough for you, right? So we will start by uh, 10, uh, 10, 10. Okay. You will take short, you can use this, you can practice these reports till 10 o'clock. After that, we will take a 10-minute break. We will start by 10, 10. Right. Hope you have practiced this report. Now, we have created we have learned how to create master file and how to enter transaction. So, is it enough for you uh, as a university student or as a employee? Okay, now it's actually not enough because when you are when you are growing your career, so you are going to higher position, you are going to management level position. So in that level, uh, you need to decide or you have to do decision making. So for decision making, you need some facts and figures. Therefore, this report is very important. So if you are working, you may know that your management will request different types of report, same transaction, but they are requesting different formats. So sometimes they will check what is customer sales. Sometimes they will ask this product type, who are the customers. Then they will ask this customer what are the items purchased, like that. Same transaction, they will request different types of formats. So it's better if you have a proper idea how to generate these reports and how to customize or modify these reports. Okay, so therefore, please practice other reports also. We are discussing only few reports due to time limitation. So please practice other reports also. Right, next, we will move to that age payables reports. First, we will discuss accounts payable aging summary. Now, in this report, you can view what are the outstanding invoices you have to pay to your suppliers. This is a report. It's include company name, aging report name, and date. So here we can view that supplier name and the outstanding. So it will display current period 1 to 30, 31 to 60, 61 to 90, and 91 and over. And it will display the total outstanding. So this report also you can customize from this section. You can select the date range and you can view only active uh, invoice lines, columns and rows. And you can change these days for aging period, that age buckets or number of days. And you can change the age buckets, number of periods. Like this, you can customize this report. So from this report, we can view what are the outstanding bills, or we have to pay, how much we have to pay to our uh, suppliers. Right. This report also one line for one supplier. This summary report, and we can view the total of that uh, outstanding. Next, we will generate accounts payable age in detail. So in this report, we can view transaction-wise outstanding report. So here in detail report, we can view transactions. However, in the summary report, we can view only one line for one supplier. So this report, we can view transaction date, transaction type, invoice number, vendor name, due date, and how many days this is due, invoice bill amount, and the value of that balance outstanding in that invoice. And we can view the totals. Here also we can change the date per aging period and the number of periods. Right. You can practice these two reports, AP aging summary report and uh, AP aging detailed reports. You can take 5 minutes and you can check this report. Right. Next, we'll move to expenses and suppliers. So from these reports, uh, we can view purchases by products, services. Now, in this report, we can select a particular date range and we can view what are the products we have purchased. So, transaction date there, transaction type, number, supplier, uh, details is there, and quantity, rate, value is available in this report. So from here we can view what are the products we have purchased. And from here we can group by product or we can group by supplier. Like this, we can customize by grouping and we can select the date range and we can add or remove columns. Right now, you can practice this report purchases by uh, product services detail report. Now from here we can view what are the items we have purchased in a particular date range. Right. Next, we will move to expenses by supplier summary report. Now here we can view what are the expenses we have occurred during a particular date range. And here we can view what are the expenses. Next, we can view that transaction list by suppliers. Now, from here we can view what are the transactions available for this supplier. And also now when you are generating reports, when you are moving to that values, sometimes there may be links. So by clicking these links, you can move to that original transaction. Okay, so by clicking that links, you can view the source document, or you can move to the original transaction. Next, we can view that purchase order reports. And purchases list. So like this, we can view the purchasers list. Right. Now this report also you can customize, you can select filters, and you can select general options. Right. Now you can practice these reports, expenses and supply reports. Right. Next, we will move to finance reports that under for my accountant. So from here, that's balance sheet and balance sheet comparison there. Uh, so we have discussed that balance sheet and profit and loss report. So now you can generate the general ledger reports. We can click that. And from general ledger report, we can view what are the transaction in particular ledger. Okay. Now here we can view that uh, ledger and the transaction, and we can view the total of that ledger. Okay. Here you can see that account receivable account there, uh, account receivable, then allowance for bad debt, inventory asset. So here we can view that account, transaction date, transaction type, transaction number, name, customer or supplier, memo, that details, and amount. And in some transactions, we can see that debit and credit separately. However, in this report, it's one column, and debits are in plus values and credits are in minus value. And this is the running balance. So we can view the general ledger. So these reports that general ledgers may uh, request for audits. So when auditors come to your audits, they will ask that general ledger report. So from this report, you can provide that general ledger report. Right now, you can practice that general ledger report. Right. Next, we can view that general ledger list. So from here, we can generate the general ledger list. And you can select the date range. And we can view the transactions. Here, you can view that debit and credit and the balance. And from filters, you can select accounts. And you can view the report. And next, we will move to this transaction detail by account report. Here you can view that report. Account is there. Oh, we will export this report and check. Okay, Here you can view that accounts and the transactions. Okay, in the general ledger list report, you can view debit and credit. Uh, so here you can view that sales, product income, cost of sales, uh, like that different account-wise detailed report you can view. Okay. And so this will you can provide for auditors when they request ledger details. And now earlier we have to print and give. Now most of the time, sometimes auditors will request soft copies. So give the you can export this report to Excel and give them a soft copy of that report. Okay. Right. Now you can practice these reports. Right. Sorry, actually, there's some. So main reports we have discussed. So uh, those are the most important reports. So we will stop for today. Next session we will do physical, and from 8 to 1 we will do, and 8 to 12 we will discuss SAGE. After that, 1 hour we will take to